Okay, now that I know that this works, I can be a little less crazy. Oh geez. Oh geez. I say that and now it's not going to work. Where did that just go? Okay. Now this should work. So I am on number 3. Find f if you're given f double prime again. So again, we're going to do the first antiderivative to get f prime. The antiderivative of x is just 1/2 x squared. The antiderivative of the square root of x is 2/3 x to the 3/2 plus c. Use this information because it says when f prime of 1 equals 2, so put in 2 for f prime and 1 for x. And this is just 1/2 plus 2/3, so 2 equals 1/2 plus 2/3. And c equals 5/6. So, I'm going to replace c with 5/6. Now I have to take the antiderivative of this guy. So add 1 to the exponent, and then this becomes, I did this all before, so I'm not going to sit here and try to figure it out. 1/6, because when I multiply by 3, that gives me the 1/2. Plus, add 1 to the exponent, it gives me 5/2. Then I have to figure out what I'm going to multiply 5/2 by to get 2/3, and the answer is 4/15 plus 5/6 x plus c, and that equals f of x. So f of 1 is 1, so I'm just going to put in 1 for all my x's, so it's going to give me 1/6 plus 4/15 plus 5/6 plus c, and that has to equal 2. And when I simplify all of that, I get negative 4/15. So f of x equals x cubed over 6 plus 4x to the 5/2 over 15 plus 5/6x minus 4/15. Alright, last one. Again, you're given the second derivative. So, you're going to find the first derivative by doing one antiderivative. The antiderivative of 3 to e to the x, think about it as the integral of 3 e to the x. You bring the 3 outside, so it's just 3 times the integral of e to the x, which is e to the x. So this just becomes 3 e to the x. The integral of 5 sine, again, you pull the 5 out, but the integral of sine, the antiderivative of sine, is negative cosine. So it's going to become negative 5 cosine x plus c. Use this information, because the derivative at 0 is 2. Put in 2 for the derivative. 3 e to the 0 minus 5 cosine of 0 plus c. 3 e to the 0 is 3, because e to the 0 is 1. Cosine of 0 is 1, so that's minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Add 2, and c is 4. So I'm going to replace this c with 4, and then I'm going to take the antiderivative of that to get f of x. Again, the antiderivative of 3 e to the x is 3 e to the x. The antiderivative of cosine is just plain sine, and plus 4x plus c. Plug in 1 for y and 0 for x. Sine of 0 is 0, so this all goes away. 3 times 1 is 3, this is 0. So minus 3 from both sides, and you get negative 2 equals c. So f of x is 3 e to the x minus 5 sine of x plus 4x minus 2. And there's that.